this is going to be a review of this Corona dual flush toilet. Let's get into it. Forgot to unpause the video, but it's not much different. It's not really surprising. It did get past the trap opening. Yeah. Time. There's a shower. Quite big. New scale. Alright. Now let's turn off the lights. Turn on the flashlight. And let's look at bullets. As you just saw, it's basically non-existent. I mean, it all forms up into here. I think. Wait, there's not even second. There's not even jets there. Yeah, you can barely even see them here. You saw the flash, but it's not even spinning there. Let's do a reshoot. Try and see if we can see anything. Also, this is kind of a pentagon kind of trapway. Would be nice if this swirled. Just alright, let's overwrite it. So yeah, it all goes in here. Like there's a lot of what jets in here, but all of it goes into the beginning of the flush, and then it's only these front jets and that siphon jet. And so yeah, that makes it really hard for stuff to clog. Easy for stuff to clog in there. So yeah, go ahead and test it. How well it can. I got a shared setup here, but I think it'll do fine. That's pathetic. Holy hell. Yeah, this thing's crap. It does balance okay, but like the fact it can barely get past the trap opening. Keep in mind, I was overriding the system, so it should not have done that. Yeah, this is one big fucking disappointment. I can see this thing clogging on a regular basis, not even like just normal things. Imagine how it can handle regular objects that you're supposed to put down it. It's not gonna do well at all. Especially since this is a water saving whatever. Yeah, then that definitely counts it out for doing well on performance. Honestly, if I had a testing station, I would be able to see just how crap it really is. It couldn't flush a washcloth if it tried. Couldn't get dirt down it. Couldn't get a dish rag down it. Just all the basic stuff that OCC does with his stuff. I could not see this thing passing for anything. So let's do it one more flush. Let's try and be fair. Let's go ahead. Flush. I think that the siphon jets, the rim jets might be outlawed. Yeah. So this is just kind of a disappointment. The moment. This is just not, I can't see it doing well in any houses for anything. It can't pass regular objects that you're supposed to flush down there. So yeah, this thing's just an overall disappointment. Now it's time to grade it. Let's grade it. Design-wise, I kinda like it. Gives me a bit of low boy kind of feelings. With the low height and like the small amount of water in the tank. Yeah, they somehow managed to make this like 3.5 something gallons. Yeah, it looks okay. It's a bit less generic. Now on to the design part of this. This thing does not perform well. Can't even get basic objects that are supposed to be flushed down it. I can't get them. Can probably get them past here and not go. But if you maybe put more water in the tank, maybe I can see it kind of performing better. But that's just not going to be the case at all for this thing. I give this a 3 out of 10 for just overall functionality. This thing's not great either. This thing makes the Kleppen look good. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm not gonna say this stuff. And I'm not gonna tell you to do any of that. Just feel free to subscribe if you'd like for more crap like this. Thank you for watching.